Hey guys, we are here today on the Charles River again, probably about a mile upstream from the Elliott Bridge on the Soldiers Field side. This nice park area. We're gonna do some fishing. Today's Tuesday. Over the weekend it was really cold, like in the 60s. Last night it rained through this morning. It was raining. And now it kind of warmed up a little bit. It's probably about 70 degrees air temperature right now. I don't know what's going to happen. Alright, you guys, let's try this side. This is so super shallow. I see the bottom now. This is like inches. Mako move. Yeah, so basically what we've got here is the Charles on this side, this little creek thing on this side. It really is, it's only a couple inches deep though, as far as I can tell. It might be deeper usually when we're not in drought, but right now that is definitely too shallow. Alright, we're gonna switch it up. Throw the popper for a little bit. See if this makes any difference. Oh, did you see that? He missed it. Oh, he's right there. Oh, come on! Oh my god, did you see that? Just totally missed it. I've had like 3 go right after it. They're probably the same one with no eyes. It's like a blind fish. Oh, did you? Again, just totally missed it. Alright, let's start making our way back. Got about 40 minutes of daylight left. Alright, so this is like not a creek. This is just like a little thing right off the river. This is where it ends. Kind of goes down. I think it starts right into that dock. This looks really low. None today.
Nothing at all, huh?
Nope.
What do you usually try and get? What do you get? Some largemouth trout or bass?
Yeah, the largemouth bass.
Yeah, largemouth. Yeah. Because we usually go up the other side of Watertown, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But we use worms, you know. All we're getting with those little sunfish or whatever how you call that, kibbies or some other, you know.
Yeah.
Once you start catching them, you seem like you catch about 10 in a row. You know, you say, so, holy, what the hell am I doing? Is it the same one or what? People say, no, it's the same one.
Yeah.
You know, another thing you don't catch as much now either is those damn, I used to call them horn pouts. I don't know if you get many of them. I know some people call them catfish or something
catfish,
else. But
yeah.
they're kind of ugly looking fish.
Yeah.
All right, you have a good night.
Thanks, you too. Alright guys, there's about Blah, 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 minutes left of light. That means not enough and we didn't catch any fish. Oh my god, you guys. We did not get skunked. It's a miracle. We caught a fish with like minutes to spare. Minutes to spare. He's little, but we'll count him. Can we get another? Can we get another?
So Ricky, right now in your efforts to finish release,
Fetish? Yeah. Get off the bondage. It's just something like it makes it better. Yeah. Alright, so like bondage is a good kink that like a lot of people have, and I don't know. Fetishes are just ones that just, yeah, they don't get off the
Alright, well, now I've got to do another outro. Not a bad day of fishing. I mean, we're out here for about an hour and a half. Almost 2 hours. About an hour and a half, let's call it. Caught one fish right at the end, just under the wire. Remember, if you want to see more videos, just like this one, or possibly even more exciting, like way more exciting, subscribe to my channel. After the outro, and we got another one. Dinky, dinky little fish tonight. But we will take them. Oh, chill out. That's 2. Now I've done 2 outros. Every time I do an outro, I catch a fish. I don't know what to tell you guys. Should I do another outro? Alright guys, there's about 3 minutes left of sunlight. My battery's almost dead. I've caught 2 fish now. And you should subscribe to my channel. And, oh, in case you're wondering what I caught those last 2 fish on, it's the white magic fluke. Only 8 more subscribers to go until we rename my channel. Goodbye, fluke. Come back with the fish.